Hello programmers, Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I will show you how you can install IntelliJ IDE IDEA in your Windows operating system. First of all, open a browser and search for IntelliJ IDEA. Then you will see this JetBrains official website and simply click here. Then click in the download section. Here you will see there are two versions of IntelliJ IDEA. One is Ultimate and one is Community. Then what is the difference between them? IntelliJ IDEA IDE Community Edition is free and open source. If you want to work on basic Java functions, then this Community Edition is perfect for you because it is free and it provides all the basic features for JVM and Android development. Besides, IntelliJ IDE Ultimate version is commercial. That means you have to pay to use this. And this version provides you additional tools and features for web and interface development. So for the basic works on Java, you don't need this ultimate version. We will use this community edition, which is absolutely free. There are some system requirements, just check there, and there is important things I want to share with you. You don't need to install Java to run IntelliJ IDE because JetBrains runtime is bundled with the IDE based on JRE 11. But you have to install JDK to run this. I had already made a video how you can install JDK in your Windows operating system. The video link will be available in the description box. As we are going to install community version, just simply click here download. After downloading this exe file, just simply double click here. Here you just click next. From here you can choose your destination folder where this application will be installed. I refer you keep the default path, and also I will refer you install this IntelliJ IDE in SSD. Just click next. I want to create a desktop shortcut for 64-bit launcher update path variable, and I am also checking this. I don't need any context menu and I don't need any associations. Download and install 32-bit and I don't need this, so I just simply clicking next. Also install. Wait for a minute for completing this installation process. After finishing the installation process, IntelliJ will suggest you to reboot your PC. For this time, I want to manually reboot and just clicking finish. After rebooting your PC, you will notice here there is a desktop icon of IntelliJ IDEA community version. Just double click here. Then check the confirm button and click continue. From here, click in the new project. Then select the Java. IntelliJ IDE automatically collect my JDK version. If you don't download your JDK, you can also download your JDK from here, and you can also add JDK from your PC. Just simply I am clicking next. I want to project template, so just clicking here and also click next. Now give a project name, and this is the project location where you want to store your projects. I will refer you not to use this location and change this location in other drives. And here is the package name, and I also want to change this. Just click finish. Here you are seeing it is our first project, and this is our source folder, and this is our package com.blackosra, and this is our main Java class. Here is some default code. Just remove this and print a line. For the first time for running this application, right click and then select run, and here is our output. There was one thing we missed before, that is the theme color. You can also change the theme color according to your preference. To do this, go to the file, setting, appearance, and select the theme as you like. Now I am using the dark theme, which is Dracula version, and you can also use the IntelliJ Lite. But I don't prefer this theme. For the development purpose, we use Dracula, and which is the dark version. Just simply click OK, and here we are. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video informative, please do subscribe, like, comment and share to your friends.